Good evening. This is Mike. I'm here. Oh, I got a message from Windows Security. Check that out. Needless to say, I am here with my trusty IC-705, and I've had it now for about 2 years. And I went ahead and purchased a full Peovi cage for this. It wraps all the way around the backside. It protects it. I got the extra handle, which the handle is excellent. So I have one to carry and one so I could use as a tilt, if you will, for the radio. But I also purchased the Side KX, and about a few weeks ago, the original Side KX fell. One of my coworkers dropped it, and it fell on the ceramic floor. It only fell about 2.5 foot, but I guess it was enough of an impact to crack it and break off a piece. Still works just fine. I mean, it's still pretty solid, so I'm impressed with that. But needless to say, when I went to the Peovi page and I put in my review, they offered to replace it, and so here it is. It's on the IC-705. Man, I tell you, if you have an expensive radio like this, you want to protect your front end. You want to protect those knobs. You want to protect that screen, and that's why I kept using this one, even though it was broken. But needless to say, I want to thank Chloe over at Peovi at the Peovi.com. Great customer service. Thank you so much. And I'm not sure if it was some kind of ploy hiring Chloe from Peovi, but I love it. It works real good. And she sent a little note there, handwritten. I gotta say, great customer service from Peovi. Thank you so much. You guys make a great product, and you should be proud of yourself. And I will continue doing business with you. Thank you so much. 73s to you all. Have a good one. This is Mike, W1SRR, and that's my my review, my comeback review for the Peovi Side KX.